everyone. Mr. Weasel's trying to attract more customers with an open invitation to his garage. Oh!
Don't forget to charge them for that photo, Sly.
Oh no! Mr. Weasel! Your blimp is floating away!
Oh! Oh no, it's not! I've got everything under control! Ah, yes! Everything looks in order from up here. Exactly as I planned!
Spinning screwdrivers! Mr. Weasel's in danger! We have to help him get safely back on the ground!
Wobbling whiskers! Now my toesies are getting cold! Stop!
We need to get Mr. Weasel down safely!
Mommy!
Aha! That bouncy castle will provide a soft landing. But how do we move it underneath Mr. Weasel? Oh, that's it! We'll put the bouncy castle on wheels! What tools do we need? Screwdriver, bungee cords.
Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this.
To turn around Mr. Weasel's luck, let's attach this trailer to Baby Truck. Nice and tight. By turning the screws all the way to the right. Now lift the bouncy castle aboard and hold it in place with bungee cords. Go, go, Bouncy Baby Truck!
Oh, do something, Gecko!
Nuts and bolts!
Oh, that cliff looks very spiky!
The blimp will pop if it hits that cliff.
Help me! Ah!
Hang on, Mr. Weasel. We have a soft landing for you. Let go now. You'll fall onto the bouncy castle.
That wasn't me!
Hooray! We saved Mr. Weasel. Well done, Baby Truck.
How deflating!
Goodbye, everyone.